Aloha everybody, and welcome to the preview of my upcoming video premiere, Kilauea Eruption 1959 and 1960. The video premiere is scheduled for February 2nd at 3 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. Now also remember, in order to receive notifications of new videos I post and upcoming events like this one, you must be subscribed to the channel. And while you're at it, go ahead and give that bell icon and the thumbs up button some love too. Finally, joining us for additional commentary will be a very special guest co-host, and a clue to who that is in the preview. So speaking of the preview, let's get to it. Enjoy!
During the night, and on the morning of the second day, brackish groundwater gained access to the underground lava conduits, and great, convoluting clouds of dirty ash-laden steam blast from the vent. Vents erupting lava are side by side with roaring jets of steam, and some vents alternate between blasting out pure white steam and molten lava. Downwind, the land is being covered with a layer of salty ash.
Did that happen at all, Charles, during the 2018 eruption here in the United States?
I don't think any fissures encountered any groundwater, but we did have some areas that went off like a jet engine, but nothing on this scale that I'm aware of.
From the air, the steam blasts present a spectacular display. The river of lava, here 300 feet wide, pours from the erupting vents and slowly flows down the Graben toward the ocean 2 miles away. Two days later, the flow reaches the sea, and a large steam cloud marks its entry into the water. 2,500 acres of land, including all you see here, some of it fertile and highly cultivated with papaya, sugarcane, coffee, and orchids, will eventually be buried under lava from this eruption.
Well, that's it for the preview for now. Don't forget to tune in on February 2nd at 3 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time for the video premiere. And the premiere is going to be about 30 minutes long, so don't forget to grab your popcorn and other refreshments before it starts. So I'll also be there about 10-15 minutes before the premiere in the live chat, so pop in early and say hi, and I'll see you there.